Hey guys, so today I am going to be showing you 3 different ways to use your concealer. So the first way that I like to use concealer is around the brow. So I know everybody has like an opinion on using concealer around the brow because some people think it's way too sculpted, it gives you like a very unnatural look, but I beg to differ. So there are many ways that you can apply your concealer that will not make your brows look super sculpted. Now I did it to both my brows here, and what I do is I do from beginning of brow to end of brow, top and bottom, which is going to give you a more sculpted look. But if that is not your thing, you can simply take your concealer and just start at that arch of the brow and just place a little bit of concealer beyond that point. This is going to help give you a more lifted eye look because you're going to be highlighting the outer corner of your brow. So it's going to make your eye look a little bit more lifted, which is always good because we never want our eyes to look droopy or tired. We always want our eyes to look lifted and awake. The second way I like to use my concealer is making sure I get it in that inner corner of my eye, right in this area, because I feel like a lot of us neglect this corner area and it kind of just throws the whole makeup look off, and it could also make you look more tired when you do not conceal the inner corner of your eye. So that's definitely something you always want to do, and to drag it down here and not just make a little line over here and conceal just there. You want to make sure you drag it down a little bit so it gives you a nice and even look. By the way, the concealer that I'm using throughout this video is the YSL All Hours concealer, and this is what it looks like. It's got some beautiful sleek packaging. I love this, and I also love how it goes on. And by making sure that you get your concealer in your inner corner, it also makes your nose to look smaller, so that is always a great thing. The third way you could wear your concealer is on your lips, girl. And I know you're like, what are you saying right now? Are you crazy? But I still do it, and I'm going to show you how. So take your concealer, and all you really need to do is tap in the center of your lips. Then what you could do is take your lip liner, give yourself a nice good old brown liner. You want to make sure it's really rubbed in and it's really blended, and this helps to neutralize your lip. So if you have a discoloration in your lip or your lip is a little bit darker, this is really good to do. I would recommend using a concealer in your flesh tone, nothing lighter and nothing darker. So you want to make sure that it matches your skin perfectly and use that concealer. Now I'm not done here. After this, you would want to apply your lipstick on top and gloss. Okay guys, so that is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed these 3 different ways to use concealer. And if you do the same, let me know. If you don't, if you think I'm crazy, comment below. I want to know. So I'll see you in my next one, and thank you guys for watching. Bye!